Hello friends, welcome to my channel Academic Made Easy PC. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it and also click the bell icon. In this video, we will be learning exercise 2.3 from the chapter Polynomials of class 10. So in this exercise, we will be learning dividing the polynomials, dividing the given polynomials. So this is one of the important and interesting exercise. So now let's move on to the questions. Question 1. Divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient and remainder of each of the following. So now they have given p of x, which is dividend, and this is divisor, isn't it? So now we will be writing it in normal division form. Okay, so using that we will be finding the quotient and remainder. We have to find q of x and r of x, that is quotient and remainder. So now I will write p of x here. So x cube minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 3, and here x square minus 2. See, I will be taking this x square minus 2, which is g of x. Okay, so I will be multiplying with something so that I get x cube over here. So I have to get x cube, no? So I will be multiplying with what? X, so that I will get x cube minus 2x. Okay, so now I have to check only for the highest degree. Okay, so now I'm going to check for that. So x is over here, so x square into x is x cube, and minus 2 into x is minus 2x. So now what I'm going to do is that I will be changing my sign. So this will be plus 0 x square. So here also I will change to minus, and here plus. This is changing of the sign. So this part will get cancelled and I will write the remaining as it is. So minus 3x square plus 5. So what is 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 plus 2 is 7, isn't it? So I will write 7x minus 3 as it is. Okay, so now I have x square, and here I already have x square. So what I will do is that I have to get 3 minus 3x. Now, so x square minus 2 into something I have to multiply. What does that means? It is minus 3. So if I multiply with minus 3, I will get minus 3x square. No, so I have to check only this. So I will multiply with minus 3. So minus 3 into x square is minus 3x square, and minus 2 into minus 3 is plus x. So plus 6, I will write it here. So plus 0x. So now I will be changing the sign. So here also I will be changing the sign, and this will get cancelled, and 7x minus 9. This is my answer. This is remainder. So after this I can't multiply, isn't it? So I will just leave it like that. So my q of x is equal to x minus 3 and r of x is equal to 7x minus 9. This is the required answer for quotient and remainder. Subdivision 2. P of x is equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and g of x is equal to x square plus 1 minus x. Solution. If you just carefully look into this p of x and g of x, this is not in the standard form, isn't it? What is the standard form for any polynomial? It should be in the decreasing order of the degree of the polynomial or variable. Okay, so this is in the standard form, but here it is not in the standard form. So Rewriting the given polynomials in the standard form, so p of x will be, so here it is, the highest power is 4 only, so x power 4 minus x cube is not there, so I will just write plus 0 x cube. 0 into something is 0, so only they have left it, but in the standard form I'm just writing it, and minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So now my p of x is in the standard form. Now let me check for g of x. So g of x is equal to x square plus 1 minus x square. This is not in the standard form, isn't it? So x square minus x plus 1. So now this two polynomials also is in the form of standard form. Okay. So now we will be writing the dividend in here. So x power 4 plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So whether it is given or not, we have to write this at least with 0, multiply it with 0. Okay, so now let me write g of x. G of x is x square minus x plus 1. This is my g of x. So now I have to multiply with something with g of x in order to get my dividend. No, so x square is here. So x square into x square gives me x power 4. So I will be multiplying with x square now. I need not to have any quotient because my quotient is 1 over here. So I will have x square. So x power 4. X square into x square is x power 4 minus x into x square. I said no, you have to write this. Why? Because x into x square gives me x cube. If I didn't write, where will I write? So only we have to write all these. So x cube 1 into x square is plus x square. So now here it is 0x plus 0. Everything you have to write. That is must. Now I have to cancel this. No? So in order to cancel, I will be changing the sign throughout. So plus will become minus. Minus will become plus. Plus will become minus. 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 So I will be cancelling out this. So now what is remaining over here? X cube minus, minus. Same sign. I didn't put the common sign. My common sign is minus. So 3x square minus x square is 4x square. So different signs, no? So here 0 only. So we need not to worry. So 4x plus 5 as it is. So now I have x square minus x plus 1 in g of x. I have to have x cube. Is there any coefficient? No, nothing. So I will directly multiply with x. So what is the symbol over here? I can take 1 itself plus itself. So x. So x square into x is x cube minus x in x minus x is minus x square, and here plus x into 1 is x only. So plus x, and I will be changing the sign. Plus minus plus 0 I will have here minus. So this also I will cancel. Next in the remaining I will have minus. So minus 3x square plus 3x plus 5. So I have x square minus x plus 1 in the g of x. So now I have to multiply with something in order to get my answer as minus 3x. No, so I will be multiplying with minus 3. So that I will have minus 3. So here minus 3 gives me minus 3x square. So minus into minus is plus. So 3 into x is 3x. Plus into minus is minus. 1 into 3 is 3. So now I will be changing the sign. So plus minus plus. So this will get cancelled. Even this term will get cancelled. And the remainder will be 8. So now what is my q of x? Q of x is equal to x square plus x minus 3 and my r of x is equal to 8. These are the required polynomials. Subdivision 3, p of x and g of x is given. So p of x is equal to x power 4 minus 5x plus 6. G of x is equal to 2 minus x square. So this is not in the standard form. No, so I've written, rewriting the given polynomials in a standard form we get. So here x power 4 is there indirectly to x power 1. So in between x cube and x square is missing. So I have written x power 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x square minus 5x plus 6. We have to write this, I said no. And here also for g of x, 2 minus x square only is given. X is not there. So I wrote minus x square plus 0x plus 2. So now I will be writing my p of x. So p of x is x power 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x square minus 5x plus 6, and my g of x is minus x square plus 0x plus 2. Even in g of x you have to write the missing term with multiplied with 0. So here what is my g of x? Minus x square plus 0x plus 2. If I multiply with something I have to get plus x power 4. So I will be multiplying with x square. Okay, minus x square. So therefore I will have minus x square. So minus into minus is plus, x square into x square is x power 4. Then here plus into minus is minus, 0 into x square is 0x cube. So minus 0x cube, and here minus into plus is minus 2x square, and nothing I have, so I will write plus 0x plus 0. Then I will be changing the signs. So if I have plus, I will change to minus. If I have minus, I will change to plus. So this term will get cancelled and this will be 0x cube only. You have to write this also. So here it will be plus 2x square minus 5x plus 6. So now next I have to get 0x square. So this is not needed. Okay. So I have to have 2. No. So I have minus x square and here I have 2x square. So what should I do? I will be multiplying by minus x square into minus 2. If I multiply with this only, I will have 2x square. No. So I will be multiplying with minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 2 is plus. So 2x square plus 2 into 0. This is 0 x, and minus into plus is minus. 2 2s are 4. So here I will be changing the sign. For 0 you may or may not change it. So this will get cancelled and here it will be minus 5x and here it will be 10 plus 10. So this is the required answer. So my q of x is equal to minus x square minus 2 and r of x is equal to minus 5x plus 10. This is the required polynomials. Question 2. Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. So if we have to check whether it is a factor, means for example we have 3 and 6. Okay. So 3 is a factor of 6. It means 3 into 2 is a 6 now. So this is multiplying, it is getting multiplied with something in order to get 6. Just like that. So one more example for 8. 4 2 and 1 are the factors of 8, even 8. So why? Because these numbers get multiplied with some number to get the answer as 8 itself. Okay, so these numbers are called factors. So they're saying that this polynomial will be factor of this. We have to check whether this polynomial is a factor of this. If we multiply with something, we will get this polynomial or not, we have to check, and if it is a factor, then the remainder should be equal to 0. Then it is called, it is a factor of this polynomial. If r is not equal to 0, then we will say that this polynomial is not the factor of the second polynomial. Okay, so question 1. So t square minus 3, this is the first polynomial which is given, and the second polynomial is this one. So 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. So I will write my p of t as 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. This is my p of t. So next I will have my g of t as t square. My t is missing, so I will write plus 0t minus 3. This is my g of t. So now let's start dividing. Now I will be taking the p of t inside. So 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. And here g of t will be written over here. So t square plus 0t minus 3. So I will have t square plus 0t minus 3, isn't it? So I have to have 2t power 4. So I will just divide t square here. So t square, and here it will become 2t square. So I will be multiplying with 2t square. So 2t square into t square, it is 2t's power 4, and 0 into something is 0t cube, and here minus 6t square plus 0t plus 0. So I will be changing the signs, no? Plus minus minus. So this term will get cancelled, and this, as it is 3t cube plus 4t square minus 9t minus 12. So now I have t square. I should have 3t cube, isn't it? So I will be cancelling this. So I have to add 3t in the quotient, 3t. 3t into t square is 3t cube, and here it is plus 0t square minus 9t plus 0. I will be changing the sign, plus minus. So this will get cancelled. 4t square, and this also will get cancelled. So here I will have minus 12. So I have t square in the g of x. I have to have 4t square, isn't it? So I will be cancelling these two. So I will have t alone. So plus 4. So 4t square into 0 minus 12. So I will be changing the signs throughout, minus plus. So I will be cancelling this as well as this. So my remainder is 0. So therefore, since r of x is equal to 0, I will say that my r of t. So g of t is the factor of p of t. That's it. subdivision 2, two polynomials is given, this one and this. So now this is with lower degree, that is with, if we compare these two degrees, this one is this one has higher degree. So let me have this as p of x. So my p of x is equal to, my highest power here it is 4 only, so 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. You have to write this, because if it is not given in the standard form, you have to write it in the standard form, no? So it is always must to write this p of x and g of x. Here it is x square, x power 1 it is there, so I can write it directly. If not, you have to mention that you are rewriting it and writing in the standard form. So now let's start writing the dividend and divisor. What is my dividend? 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. And my divisor is x square plus 3x plus 1. This is my divisor. So I have, for each and every step, write it correspondingly so that it will be easy for you all. So 3x power 4 divided by what is here? X square. So always you just write it like this, it will be easy for you all. So this is x square, so x square into x square, no? So if we cancel these two, it will become 3x square. So I will be multiplying with 3x square. So 3x power 4. You need not to check for second and all. If you just have to check for the first term for p of x and g of x. So now this one is over now. So 3 into 3 is 9. 9 and x into x is x cube. So therefore plus into plus is also plus. So 9x cube. Plus into plus is plus. 1 into 3 is 3 x square. So plus 3x square. So now I will be changing the sign. And you can write 0x plus 0 also. This term will get cancelled and this will become minus 4x cube minus 10x square minus 2x plus 2. So now let's move on to this one. So minus 4x cube you have divided by x square only is there. So x square, if you cancel these two, you will have minus 4x. So you can write minus 4x directly. So minus 4x cube. You can't just take plus 4x. It is wrong, because you have to get the same answer. Then only you can subtract it. Okay. So next, minus into minus is minus. 3 into 4 is 12. X into x is x square. So minus 12x square. And here it is minus 4x. So I will be changing the sign plus, plus, plus. So first term will get cancelled. And here I will have 2x square, and here also plus 2x plus 2. So now I have 2x square, and what I have here? X square. So x square, x square will get cancelled. What is remaining? Only 2 is there. So you can write plus 2. So 2 into x squared is 2x squared. So here, so 2 plus 4, no, it is actually 6. Okay, so next 2 3s are 6, so plus 6x, 2 2s are 2 1s are 2. So now I will be changing the signs throughout, and everything will get cancelled, because plus minus plus minus plus minus with the same number. So remainder is 0. So my r of x is equal to 0. Therefore I will say that g of x is the factor of p of x. Obtain all the zeros of this polynomial if two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. So now what is given over here is that a polynomial is given what they are saying is that two of its zeros are given and we have to find other zeros also, they are saying. Okay, so first what I will say is that let P of x be 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. So this is my P of x. Okay, so my zeros of the polynomial is given. If what is zeros of polynomial, it means x is equal to something will be there. So in the previous exercise, what did we do? P of x is equal to 0 we did, and x plus something and x minus something we did. No, we equated x plus something to 0 and x minus something to 0. No, so it will be like that only. So we'll write that given two zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3, isn't it? So then x is equal to 5 by 3 because it is root zeros of the polynomial, isn't it? Zeros of polynomial means the value of x. Okay, so that's what I have substituted over here. Then my x also will be equal to minus 5 by 3. So it means I will go back to the step, that is I will be taking this to my LHS. So x minus root of 5 by 3 is equal to 0, and next it is I will take this also. No? So minus will become plus 5 by 3 is equal to 0. So now I will go back to one more step, that is x square minus root 5 by 3 the whole square is equal to 0. See, from this step, we will be going to this step, isn't it? So this we will be splitting as x plus root 5 by 3 into x minus root 5 by 3. For these types of sums, we will be coming backwards. Okay, that is what the only thing. Why we are doing all these? Because nothing is given. Only one P of x is given. Can we find any zeros from that directly? No, it is not possible. No, if it is a quadratic equation, at least we can find through some methods. It is of the power 4. So do we have any methods? No, since we don't have methods, we will be following this types of methods. So I will say that let my g of x be x square minus root of 5 by 3 the whole square, that is g of x is equal to x square. I don't have x term, no, so plus 0x minus this and root will get cancelled, so 5 by 3. So now I will divide p of x and g of x. So now I will be writing my p of x first. So what is my p of x? 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. This is my p of x. What was my g of x that I found? It was x square plus 0x minus 5 by 3. So now what I will do is that I will be multiplying with something, that is here it is 3x power 4, and what is the first term in g of x? It is x square. So I will be cancelling these two in order to find it. So what I will do is that I will be cancelling these two, so this will become 2. So what I have to do is that 3x square. So I have to multiply with 3x square. So 3x square. So 3x square into x square is 3x power 4, and 0 plus 0x cube, and here 3 and 3, no, so it is 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3 into 3x square. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled, isn't it? So minus 5x square minus 5x square. Fine. So here I will be changing the sign, minus plus, and this will be plus 0x plus 0. So I will be cancelling this element, and here it will be 6x cube plus minus 2 plus 5 is 3x squared minus 10x minus 5. So now what is here? 6x cubed. And what is in the first term of g of x? It is x squared. So what is our answer here? 6x. This is our answer, no? So plus 6x. So here I will have 6x cube plus 0x squared, and here it is 6x into minus 5 by 3, isn't it? So this and this will get cancelled too. So minus 10x, and here as it is 0. So minus plus. So I will cancel this term as well as this term. So next I will have 3x square minus 5. This is my answer here, no? So next I will have, so 3x square is here, and here it will be x square, isn't it? So this I will add with 3. So 3x squared minus, so here I have minus 5 by 3 into 3, isn't it? So I will cancel this 3 and 3. So I will have minus 5. So I will change my sign. So if I change the sign, I will have 0. So now what was my q of x? Now my r of x is equal to 0. So I need not to worry. And my what is my q of x? Q of x is equal to 3x square plus 6x plus 3, isn't it? This is my polynomial that I got in my q of x. So now what I will do is that I will be factorizing this equation in order to get my zeros. So now I will take that q of x is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 3 is common over here now. So 3 I will take it out. So x square plus 2x plus 1. So in the next step, 0 is equal to 0 by 3 is 0 only. So x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so I will be taking my sum as 2 and my product is 1. So my pairs will be automatically 1 comma 1. So here, why? Because 1x plus 1x is 2x. So 0 is equal to x square plus x plus x plus 1. So now I will be grouping. So 0 is equal to x, I will take it common. So x plus 1 plus 1 into x plus 1, because 1 only is common for both these. So 0 is equal to x plus 1 and x plus 1. So now I will be equating this into 0. So this one will be x plus 1 the whole square, isn't it? So just directly x plus 1 the whole square is equal to 0 means x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1. So therefore the zeros of the polynomial p of x are root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3 and minus 1. That's it. Question 4. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and the remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. So, a polynomial is given. Okay, and the quotient q of x is given and r of x is given. That is solution. P of x is given and q of x is given, r of x is given. Okay, so now we have to find what is g of x. Okay, what is p of x? First of all, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. This is in the standard form, so directly we can write. And here q is x minus 2 and r is minus 2x plus 4. Yes? Right. So everything is given except g of x. So what formula will be used? That is division algorithm formula. Division algorithm. Okay, so what is division algorithm? P of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x, isn't it? We will be using this division algorithm formula in order to find our g. So if we have to find the g, what is the formula here? P of x minus r of x, the whole divided by q of x is equal to g of x, isn't it? So therefore, rewriting it, I will have g of x is equal to, what is my p of x here? P of x is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus, what is my r of x here? R of x is minus 2x plus 4, the whole divided by, what is my q of x? X minus 2. So now I will be simplifying this. So g of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. I will be taking this minus sign inside. So plus 2x minus 4, the whole divided by x minus 2. So g of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square. So x and x is there now. So plus 3x minus 2. Plus 2 minus 4 is minus 2. No. So the whole divided by x minus 2. So now we will be dividing these two. Okay. For g of x. So now we will be writing p of x minus r of x here, and here we will be writing q of x. Okay. So here x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. This was my p of x minus r of x. What was my q of x? X minus 2. So now I will start dividing. So x cube by x. So I will have x square. So x square. So x into x square is x cube minus 2x. So I will be changing the sign now. So 0x plus 0 minus plus. Okay. So this I will get cancelled. So I will have minus x square plus 3x square minus 2. Okay, I have minus x square here divided by x. So this and this will get cancelled. So minus x is remaining. So I will multiply with minus x. So minus x into minus x into x is minus x square. Minus into minus is plus. This is 3x. So plus 2x. I will be changing the sign now, plus minus. So this will get cancelled and I will have x here minus 2. So now I have x over here and x is here, so 1. So I have to add 1 over here, so x minus 2. So I will change the sign minus plus. So this will get cancelled, even this will get cancelled. So therefore 0 is the answer. So since I got my remainder as 0, I will say that this q of x for this division will be my g of x. So after dividing, I said no, g of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. No. So since directly we can't do only, I just did it with this way. So what will be my g of x? The quotient only will be my g of x. No. So what was my quotient there? X square minus x plus 1. This was my g of x. Therefore, my g of x is this. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it and also click the bell icon. If you have any doubts, mention it in the comment box.
Like, comment, share and subscribe.